Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about some rudimentary structures in female sexual organs. So I will make out the picture about around the month of 4th development. So here first come the ovaries. These are the ligaments attached to them. Here comes the uterus developing and the fallopian tube with fimbriae. This is the uterus inner lining. This is the cervix part, and there comes the cervix part, and there comes the hymen. So this is the ovary. This is the fallopian tube with fimbriae and the uterus. So rudimentary structures are those structures which are sometimes present in few persons or present during the development of the embryo. Not commonly seen in the females, but sometimes questions are asked about the rudimentary structures. So these are mainly Gartner's duct, epiophoron, that is also called organ of Rosenmuller, and paraoophoron. So but firstly we will discuss about the Gartner ducts. So Gartner ducts what is Gartner ducts is, firstly draw the pictures. So what is Gartner ducts? Gartner ducts runs parallel. This is Gartner ducts runs parallel to the fallopian tube and then to the uterus and ends at the hymen. This is the hymen. This point developing is the hymen. So this is the Gartner's duct runs parallel to the uterus too, and this is called the ends at the hymen. Blind end of the duct toward the fimbriae is also described as the Coblett's tubercle. So the end, this duct toward the fimbriae is called, over here is also called Coblett's tubule. Next is the epiophoron, that is also called the organ of Rosenmuller. These are the 8 to 10 vertical tubules present with the blind end toward the hilum of the ovary, while other end at the Gartner ducts. As we can see, these are ending in the Gartner ducts. So this is epiophoron and paraoophoron. This is epiophoron. This is paraoophoron. Lies between the uterus and the epiophoron. This is the paraoophoron. So sometimes the question is asked about the rudimentary structures. Gartner ducts, where is this present, what is epiophoron, what is paraoophoron. So this was all about the rudimentary structures in case of females. Thank you so much.